Hello guys, welcome back. In today's challenge, can you guess the celebrity by their smiles? Okay, let's play quiz. Can you guess the celebrity? Yes, it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Here is the second one. Can you guess this one? Yes, it's Elon Musk. Any idea about this one? Awesome, it's Priyanka Chopra. Here is the fourth one. Yes, it's Nicole Kidman. Any idea? Yes, it's Shah Rukh Khan. Can we guess the celebrity? Yes, it's Vin Diesel. Any idea about this smile? Perfectly, it's Virat Kohli. Can you guess this one? Yes, it's Emma Watson. Any idea about this celebrity? Yes, it's Shakira. Can you guess this celebrity? Yes, it's Dwayne Johnson. Any idea about this smile? Yes, it's Britney Spears. Can you guess this one? Awesome, it's Tom Holland. Any idea about this celebrity? Yes, it's Cillian Murphy. Can you guess this celebrity? Yes, it's Angelina Jolie. Here is the next one. Do you know which celebrity is this? Yes, it's Chris Hemsworth. Any idea about this one? Yes, it's Jennifer Lopez. Yes, it's Will Smith. Any idea? Yes, it's Justin Bieber. Can you guess this smile? Yes, it's Jennifer Lawrence. Any idea about this one? Yes, it's Rihanna. Can you guess this celebrity? Yes, it's Brad Pitt. Any idea about this one? Yes, it's Amber Heard. Any idea about this one? Yes, it's Miley Cyrus. Can you guess this celebrity? Awesome, it's Jason Momoa. Can you guess this celebrity? Awesome, it's Megan Fox. Okay, pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.